Ooh, I like
Very good with the structure. Sarap kain, ano? When we were kids, I'd watch you fly through my daydreams. You were perfect, so reckless, naive. You were everything to me. Stay up and dream of saving the world, just you and me. All of our friends made a team. Sixth graders conquering everything. And I still hear the fireworks, and I can see them smiling at me. I still wrestle myself from time to time, struggle through every screen. Feel your happiness pulling me through my hunger and sadness and complacency. When I wake up from dreaming toward the flower of the tree, just hope that you're proud of me. Be proud of me. Are you proud of me?
Yes.
Yes.
We are so proud of her. Yes.
It's been a win.
What?